very, very pleased. It's above and beyond what I expected. My sales rep, Barney Majette, was fabulous. He problem solved on the spot for some very complex issues that we had here at this particular complex with permits and then a design issue in the back, and came up with an excellent solution so I could have my opening insurance protection and get the windows that I loved. Installation crew was very professional. They were early. There were 3 gentlemen. They covered everything in my house to prevent the dust. They cleaned up immaculately. I had a little, sweeping up to do due to the old windows being pulled out, and it's an older building here. But overall, I was really surprised at how fast, how professional, how clean, how courteous they were. And when I get ready to do stage 2, which is in the back, I still have some more windows to put in. It would be really nice if I could have Barney and the same guys come and do it.